Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies like Booster Juice. To begin, select your favorite frozen fruits, such as 1 cup of berries or mango, and combine them with about 1/2 cup of liquid. Water, juice, or milk alternatives work well. Ensure your blender is ready for frozen ingredients to achieve that signature smooth consistency. This foundational step is crucial for replicating the popular smoothie chain's quality at home. For that signature Booster Juice creaminess, incorporate about 1/2 cup of a creamy ingredient like Greek yogurt, a ripe banana, or even avocado. Next, add a small amount of ice, perhaps 1/4 cup, to ensure your smoothie is perfectly chilled without becoming too watery. Blend all ingredients on high speed for 60 to 90 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and free of chunks. Now, let's talk about customization and boosters. You can easily enhance your smoothie's nutritional value by adding 1 scoop of protein powder, a handful of fresh spinach, or chia seeds. For extra flavor, consider 1 teaspoon of honey, maple syrup, or a dash of vanilla extract. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruit combinations to discover your own favorite Booster Juice-inspired creations. To perfect your smoothie, always adjust the liquid gradually until you reach your desired thickness. If it's too thick, add 1 tablespoon of liquid at a time. If too thin, add more frozen fruit. Always taste your creation before serving and modify the sweetness or tartness as needed. For more great tips and deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Booster Juice-style smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.